DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Uniden County in north-central Georgia, until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday.
Huh?
And 2:26 p.m. Eastern.
Oh my God, it's 2:30.
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the world. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. And underpasses, as well as underboard drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Decatur, Mountain Park, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Dunwoody, Duluth, Suwanee, Wilburn, Chantley, Norcross, Doyville, Clarkston, Stone Mountain, Avondale Estates, Berkeley Lake, and Pine Lake. Turn around. Do not travel street flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur at the it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings.
What? Imagine, bro.
Policy in the South China Sea.
Oh my gosh. Darn it.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flood warning for DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, southwest County in north-central Georgia.
Hello? What? Come on, bro.
Springs, Roswell, John Creek. Norcross, Dorville, Clarkston, Stone Mountain, Avondale Estates, Latonia, Berkeley Lake, and Pine Lake. Turn around. Do not drive when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Man.
Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Mine. I really need to get a shorter antenna because it keeps.
Warnings. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Wait. For some reason, I didn't think they did flash flood warnings, but I guess they do. But yeah, there's, I'm gonna have to find a better time to test this. Because, obviously, I mean, my station keeps it informed with this, but yeah, flash flood warning at 2:30 in the morning.